Hello guys, my name is Jose from Jaco Agency, and today we're building this amazing automation. It's an invoice tracking that you can extract just the info that you need from a PDF and output into a spreadsheet. In this case, I chose to have a Google spreadsheet. I call invoice automation, and you can customize this with all the information from a PDF, from a invoice, or any document. So in this case, I just put this example. I just sent an email with an attachment, so you can see how it works. I'm gonna test this. As you can see, it's working like so fast, and it's gonna extract just the necessary information that I want. So in this case, I just it's just a simple PDF that it's I just want the company name, the invoice number, and the amount. And this it's not about the PDF. It is about the email that the email that was the sent the PDF. The email, I'm sorry, this is the email subject. This is the email that was sent the PDF, and the link of the invoice. So yeah, let's see. If you want this automation, make sure to subscribe down into my community. I will put the description down below, and it's so simple. You just have to sign up, and you will have access to all the templates for free. So yeah, let's see how it works from scratch. So in this case, I put a Gmail trigger in which you can when you put the Gmail trigger, you will see this as simplified. You just have to untoggle this, and the options you have to the options of download attachment and toggle this. So make sure it's download the PDF. Okay. After that, we're gonna have the filter. This is gonna be just for checking if it's a PDF attachment into the email. So in this case, yes, I have this attachment. For if you want, you can attach many PDFs, and it's gonna be where that's why we're gonna have this automation in which we have to set the names. In this case, I put attachments and message ID. So it's gonna be like all the attachments that it's included. We're gonna split out into, if in this case we have three PDFs, it's gonna be split out like in different names, attachment 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And after that, we're gonna merge them. So in this case, I just have one, but yeah. So it's gonna be fields combine matching fields. Fields to match have different names: message ID, and keep matches. Perfect. So after that, we're gonna I'm gonna upload to Google Drive all the attachments, so you can store them into just a personalized folder. In this case, I is Google Drive account. Make sure you connect your Google credentials, resource file, operation upload. You're gonna input the data field name. In this case, is all attachments. But if you only want just one attachment, it will be attachment 0, and you give it a file name. I'm gonna output them into my folder name called outputs. You can choose whichever folder you want. And after that, we're gonna download the binary file download by ID, JSON ID. And we're gonna extract the information from this node, extract from file, extract from PDF, input binary field, it's data. In this case, it's data. Okay, you just have to, sorry, just have to put this. And after that, we're gonna have this extractor, invoice data extractor. That this is where you can choose which information to extract from the PDF. In this case, I put your task is to extract specific details from the invoices and present them into a structured format. The details to extract are invoice name, company name, and total invoice amount. If you, I don't know, may have like a lot of or more fields to that you want to fill, you just have to add them here, and make sure to have extracted like a output format, so the model can see how you want to the information to be parsed. In this case, I have the invoice name, company name, total amount. but it's not enough because you just have to, okay, the text, this text is not enough because you have to toggle this require specific output format, so you can really choose how you want the information to be parsed. In this case, I put the same example, so you can make sure it's working. And after that, we're gonna just choose. I'm gonna zoom. You just have to put a Google Sheet. In this case, you can choose whichever you want. I mean, the CRM. I just, for sake of simplicity, I chose Google Sheets. Make sure you connect your credentials. Operation append row document invoice automation, and you're gonna just drag and drop. Yes, okay, I have this information. You just have to fill the information here, and you just have to send the information that you want. In this case, the email subject is from, you just have to find it, but this first tree is of the is like right here. Okay. And this company name, invoice number, and amount is what the information from the PDF that you have. In this case, invoice name, company name, and total amount. Okay, so just as simple as that, you can have this automation, and it's really applicable to real life. So yeah, make sure to hit the like button. I hope you like the video, and if you like more videos, please give me some ideas that I can make. I will be uploading more videos of this kind of real world application. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.